I play a politics of praising the person I want. So I'll praise myself, I'll praise my candidate, but I'm not really too much given to trying to underrate people, calling them, I don't know, they lack intelligence. So even if it is Sifuna who did that, I think it is wrong. I was actually went and asked the chairman what Sifuna said because I didn't hear. So if Sifuna did that, it is wrong. If Ichungwa is doing it, it is wrong. It is wrong for us to keep calling people names here. And especially when we're in a technological era when children are seeing this. In the past, I used to do that, but I've become born again, Mr. Speaker. I don't do such things anymore. We must remember that our young children are watching us, and we should stop calling people names. And especially, some of us who are lawyers, we take offense when you call a fellow lawyer as an idiot. I may be an idiot in economics, though I'm not overly an idiot. I got a principal pass in my A levels in economics. But you probably may also be an idiot when it comes to matters of law. So let us be respectful of of other members. Let us disagree politically. So let Sifuna support his one term, you support 2 term. Me, Millie, I'll support my candidate. In my own style and in my own way. I think a lot of us want us to say that if I say 1 term, that is when I'm not supporting the president. Or if I say 2 term, that's when I'm supporting the president. You are not the one who manufactures my mouth or my language on how I support. I support in the language, in the style, and the way I deem fit and I deem best. So I think what we want to do, sometimes we cause other people to move away from us by our styles. Let us do or encourage styles that, are more inclusive. Some of us, if I go to my constituency, I can tell you that I see evidence of growth. I can see evidence of work that the president is doing. But don't tell me to say 2 terms. You say that one if you want. I don't use your style. I can go and tell Suba North people that there is Rusinga Ring Road. You, if you are a psychopath and you want to do that, go and do it yourself. I will not do it. Emilio Diambo Mabona, aka Bad Girl, aka Geza Geza. You don't teach me how to do my politics. But having said that, Mr. Speaker, I want to say that we need to have accountability for what we give our governors. They are not performing very well right now. If it is a structural issue, then we need to know as a house whether it is here or whether it is the Senate.